Hi friends, in the last session we discussed about composite supply and we also did an entry of composite supply in Tally Prime. Now in this class we will discuss mixed supply. What is mixed supply under GST? Mixed supply under GST, like composite supply, is also a bundled supply. That means a combination of two or more goods or services made together, but unlike composite supply, this supply is for a single price. There will be no individual pricing of the items, as you can see in this particular invoice. So in mixed supply, there will be a single price. Each of these items can be procured or supplied separately, unlike composite supply, because in composite supply, the ancillary supplies cannot be availed separately. But in mixed supply, each of these items can be supplied or availed separately and is not dependent on each other. In composite supply, we saw that packing charges, loading unloading charges, delivery charges are all dependent on item A and item B. If you do not go for the items, you cannot avail the services. But in a mixed supply, the combination of goods or services, whatever, are not dependent on each other, and if you want, you can avail them separately. Now in composite supply, we saw that GST calculation, it has been made proportionately depending on the rates of the items. Under GST, a mixed supply will have the tax rate of the item which has the highest rate of tax. So unlike composite supply, in a mixed supply, we will have a single rate. Just one rate of tax. And what will be that rate? That is the highest rate of the item which is within this supply. To be more clear, suppose there is item A, item B, item C, item A having 12%, item B having 18%, and item C having 28%, then in this mixed supply of A, B, C, there will be one single rate of tax which is to be billed is 28%, being the highest of the tax rates. of the items which are included in this particular combo. For example, a Diwali gift pack having items of different GST rates. So we have to find out what is the highest GST rate and bill accordingly. As you can see here, if we get into the details of GST tax analysis, as I was telling you, GST has been calculated proportionately based on the rates of item A, which is 18%, and item B, which is 12%. But in a mixed supply, this will not be the case. There will be a single rate of tax, which will be the highest rate. So let us get into the entry for a mixed supply. Go to create, then you go to inventory masters, stock item, press F12, go to set components list, bill of materials, make it yes, make it gift pack, primary, numbers, additional details, set components, BOM, bill of materials, Y, BOM list of gift pack, you can name here, name of BOM is combo pack, unit of manufacture 1, and say it will include item A quantity 1 and item B quantity 1. Right? GST applicable. Now here you have to set the GST rate. As I told you, item A and item B, item A has 18% and item B has 12%. So this gift pack will be charged at the rate of 18% GST. Taxability, it will be taxable and the rate will be 18%. So you have to set the rate while creating the gift pack depending on the highest rate of the individual items which are included in this combo pack. So we have created this. One thing we need to create here is voucher type. Manufacturing journal It will be stock journal. Okay. Automatic, make it automatic. Track additional costs for purchases. Yes. This will suffice. Alt plus F7. Select manufacturing journal. Name of the product, that is your gift pack. Quantity, you remember there are 28 numbers of item A and item B. Let us select the quantity 8. So 8 numbers of item A and item B will be required to create this combo pack. Additional costs, let us create some packing charges. Packing materials. Okay. You don't take it as a percentage. Say packing materials 400. Then packing labor charges. Make it 160. So total comes to 22,160. So effective rate of prime item is 2770, that is 2,770. Now, if you go to a stock summary, you can see here gift pack, 8 numbers, item A remaining 20, item B remaining 20. Now let us pass a sales entry. So let us create a data. IPL Private Limited, sundry debtors, manage bill by bill, state. Let us select Delhi. Pin code, this will be say AAA, CI, 1681 G. R. We have to create a sales account. Under sales account, GST applicable, goods, name of item will be gift item, quantity will be 8, rate say 3250, we need to create GST, so this is your output GST, it is out IGST. If you want to go into more details, you can get into tax analysis, Alt F1. You get the details that 18% is charged, which is the highest rate. It is applicable for mixed supplies. It's quite simple. Supply. You can see this in the report as well. Outward supplies. These are all your purchases. So friends, this is all about mixed supply in GST. Thank you.